Welcome back to Pirates Fans TV. Spethu Zweli umnandi bhuti.
Balande Pirates Fans TV.
Hayi ngimnandi futhi. Sifikile la FNB sizolanda into yethu and vele sayithola nge 3 goals 3 points. Sihlele kamnandi phezulu yonke into emnandi bhuti.
Do you think njengoba ubiza bo 3 sina 2 cups already? Do you think lo 3 lo shotayo ukuthi swini league?
Bhuti wami lento lena ize yabizwa u former captain Lucky Likhwati wathi this season usimela i-triple lena ayithatha yena as a captain 2 times. So this time around izothathwa iyabuya futhi.
Okay, so man of the match yakho mekubani today because we saw the boys play so well.
Uyabona man of the match iqale from the fans. Iqale from thina si raise our voices singing out loud. Rain come rain fall down. Sicula sithi siyayifuna le 3 points, sifuna more goals. Unfortunately kube is only 3 goals of which we must expect even more. So man of the match it goes to the fans of Orlando Pirates.
Man of the match goes to the fans. So like the question engathanda ukukubuza yona, since this was a derby and we expected it to be difficult, do you think the standard of the derby was challenging today or nje mekudlala team e1?
I-derby today it was a derby because it's a derby. Uyabona i-derby because it's a derby, it's Chiefs and Pirates. But today it was a walkover. Sifike vele namhlanje siyazi ukuthi vele kuzoba walkover. Mina ngizokutshela one thing on my understanding our derby. Uyabona i-Pirates yadliwa a game before the derby. It's a guarantee win. Ngikhulume lento leyo kaningi ukuthi i-Pirates today izele i-win ayizelanga enye into. So to answer your question, I mean mesidlala sodwa mesidlala nabo Lamthuthu. I mean uLamthuthu yini makufika ku Pirates. I-Pirates i-team ehlangene elwela i-league. uLamthuthu ulwela ukubuyela back to where they belong, to number 9. Uyabona mina sengimshayile bayeza abanye bazomshaya bazoloku bamthitha ngimpinde futhi nge-April 25 ngisengishaya ispeaker sokugcina ukuthi out of top 8 ngifuna athathe 3 years with no top 8 angangena angaqualifyanga usashana nje ukuba ku number 3 nyana kwamanje futhi ngiyabona ukuthi mase ngimshayile manje is out of number 3. Bazomshaya nabanye nami ngimpinde nge-25 out of top 8.
You very mapakania so mpinda nange 25. Bopa!